I just want to address the position that's been emphasized by some of our witnesses and members here today, which is that any election or referendum that is overseen by the Moise administration would automatically be seen by the Haitian people as illegitimate. We have seen on the ground, I've heard firsthand, human rights groups and opposition leaders maintaining that Moise's term ended February 7th and an interim government is necessary to organize elections. Now, the question, Ambassador White, that I have for you is, if the Provisional Electoral Council cannot meet the standard of being free, fair, and credible, but the current president does not step down, how can Congress, the Biden administration, and the international community play a responsible role in ensuring that any election that is held is credible and legitimate, and in facilitating the public acceptance of the results, and in mediating between the Moise administration and the opposition? That's what we're trying to do. I think that's what we need to do. Ambassador?
It would be nice if he would step down, but I don't think that's going to happen. So I think that we sort of put him aside at the best of, in the best of all worlds, and we have a prime minister appointed that is non-corrupt, that is not from the political sector, that's not from the private sector. There are several really good candidates. I'm not going to name them, but there are several. And then we have this summit that we put out the OCEP. We have a summit where the actors come back to the table and we discuss how we can get the right representation in order to have a CEP that is credible. I mean, that is one solution that I can see happening within the very near future. I think the problem with transitional governments is then we're in that mess again, and it slows down everything again. It's not that in fact, I wrote a piece, or I talked to a piece in the New Yorker a couple of years ago where I said, I think that's exactly what we need. But I think right now we could use the prime minister option.